Taco review time. So we are gonna be checking out what is this place called? Tacos Playa del Oro. This is such a cool little food truck. This is in the middle of Chatsworth. This is actually located at 9861 DeSoto Avenue, Chatsworth, California. This place is only open from 7 p.m. until 1 a.m. Typically I usually do these in the morning time or in the afternoon time, get it for lunch, but because it is the holy month of Ramadan, this is going to be our Ramadan special. And because we are in the valley, and in the valley it is incredibly just windy, and it's just the most annoying thing ever. So this is what we went ahead and got. Okay, so like we said, we go in there, we say give me one taco of whatever you like. The best taco you have. The man said carne asada taco. He was speaking my language. I knew exactly that this was a type of one. Now these are these TJ style tacos. Of course you have the radishes right over here. You have this is interesting, this little cucumber dish over here. And then once again with the lemon, I'm not sure about the lemon thing. You know, lemons, they're is there a shortage of lime or something like that? And then they have a green and red salsa. They hooked me up with the red salsa because I said, give me the spicier one. Now, I didn't get a jalapeno. Didn't get a jalapeno. Well, everybody knows the rules by now. We got 3 rules. You're going to do one with nothing on it. You're going to send it in raw dog, nothing out of the ordinary. Second one, you're going to pop the salsa on there, see if that makes it any better, see if that gives a little kick to it. And then the third one is going to be with everything, and then we're going to go ahead and call it a day. So let's go ahead and get on with it. Now this has exactly what I like, the 2 tortillas. Typically you're supposed to take the 2 tortillas. The bottom tortilla is supposed to be for anything that drips off. Of course you see like we have a little bit of drip off over there. And then the other tortilla is supposed to be your main one. That's the side chick. This is the main chick. God, I look terrible. Okay, I need to like drink some more water or something like that. But let's get into this bad boy and go, and then Bismillah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This one, awesome. Like the meat, not gristly, has a really good clean flavor to it. The cilantro is fresh, the onions are fresh. I'm totally with it. Now we're gonna go ahead and see if the salsa goes ahead and changes anything. Pop this guy on over here. Bop, 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 bop. Let's get in with the second bite. Whoa! Holy shit! That is spicy, but that is awesome. That is a great hot sauce. Man, that is like a dry but very fresh tasting. You gotta come and get this red salsa. This red salsa is bomb. It is super duper spicy. This will kick you in the ass. Now let's go ahead and go with the third bite. This time I'm gonna go a little bit deep in there. Now I know why he didn't give me the salsa or the jalapeno. Last bite, we're gonna get in there, and this is gonna be with everything. You're gonna get the little bit of the salsa on there. You're gonna go ahead and get the accoutrements. You know what? I didn't even put the lemon. You know, since they give you lemon, might as well toss some lemon on there. Let's get in it. Man, I am not mad at that taco at all. Playa del Oro Catering. Man. We're gonna go with a solid 7.3 on this taco. 7.3. Chatsworth, California. Playa del Oro. Carne asada tacos. You could probably knock back like at least 30 of these. No problem. The cucumber thing, I'm not sure about the cucumber thing. I'm a big cucumber fan. I'm Middle Eastern. We love cucumbers. But these cucumbers, I'm not a big fan. The salsa though, this is the winner. The meat and the salsa. The tortilla is not that great. It's like a packaged tortilla. It's not the fresh ones, but because the sauce is so good and the meat is so good, I'm all about it. Well, for up to 50% commission rebate on your next real estate purchase, any mortgaging assistance, and 0% listing on selling your current home, link in the description below. Meanwhile, I'm gonna go ahead and, I don't know what's in this meat. This is like a, man, this is great. Tastes kind of like gyro. Great taco. 7-3, that's the final score. Till next video, guys.